Hello friends, welcome to Bygrayps. Today's biotechnology topics: belantamab mafodotin, JAFZ1 is a microbe, mangrove genetic resource, Lenacapavir from technology, country's first hydrogen-powered coach, from international issue, border clash between Thailand and Cambodia, World Health Organization launches policy summaries, from art and culture, Tughlaqabad Fort, the Chelium Fort, Kittur Fort, Kangai-Konda Cholapuram, from reports contaminated medicines and integrity of the pharmaceutical excipients supply chain, from environment and ecology, new frog from Meghalaya. This is a very controversial research where science retracts NASA arsenic bacteria paper, right? Because the controversy is that it is a microbe that was initially claimed to be able to substitute arsenic for phosphorus in its DNA. So you might have know about the basic nature of DNA pairings and what are the elements involved in it. So it is talking about substitute of arsenic for phosphorus. So this substitute itself really a big surprise to entire scientific community. So that's why they state it as a potential to rewrite the definition of life. But however, after that, the other experiments regarding the same thing, they refuted this claim. So they said that it is an arsenate resistant but still phosphate dependent. So there is no possibility of rewriting the definition of life. This is what they want to say after different experiment. So this kind of thing of a microorganism is discovered in the sediments of Mono Lake, California. The country's first hydrogen-powered coach was successfully tested by the Indian Railways at the Integral Coach Factory in Chennai. New frog from Meghalaya. It's a direct developing frogs for those that bypass the free swimming tadpole stage and hatch from eggs as a froglets or miniature versions of the adults. So it is bypassing those stages which are present in other amphibian species. So that's why it is direct developing frogs, and its name is given Rochester Jadon and recorded from eastern West Khasi Hills, right? And it is present in the geographical range from southern northeastern India to Nepal and extending to Myanmar, Thailand, Laos, southern China, Vietnam, Cambodia, western Malaysia. So very interesting. It is bypassing the free swimming tadpole stage. Lenacapavir is a antiretroviral medication is used to treat prevent HIV/AIDS. So it can be taken by mouth and by subcutaneous injection. So is a human immunodeficiency virus type 1 capsid inhibitor. So this topic gives what this prevents or treats and how it treats. Here World Health Organization launches policy summaries to support global efforts to reduce air pollution and its significant health impacts, especially in low and middle income countries, and that was introduced in the World Health Organization Global Conference on Air Pollution and Health in Cartagena, Colombia in March 2025. It's a very important statement. The border clash between Thailand and Cambodia, and the border clash has been triggered a massive humanitarian crisis. So countries in news regarding humanitarian crisis, following options: Thailand and Cambodia. So remember this. The rest of the following options can be right also, not just Thailand and Cambodia. Other countries also in humanitarian crisis can also come into this category of the question. Bygrayps, it is approved by European Union in combination with established regimes for what? It is to treat the adult patient with refractory multiple myeloma. So this multiple myeloma is a type of cancer that affects blood or bone marrow. Tughlaqabad Fort is a ruined fort in Delhi, and Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq, founder of Tughlaq dynasty, the ruler of Delhi Sultanate, constructed it. And when he established the third historic city of Delhi, and the situation arose that it later abandoned in 1327 and constructed in 1321. Mangrove genetic resources to develop new saline tolerant crops by transferring genes for salinity tolerance from mangroves to rice and other crops. It is possible or not, true or false? The thing is that it is absolutely true, because the mangroves stay in saline condition, so they have an ability to tolerate that kind of condition. So if we transfer that genetic ability in crops which we grow, that will be saline tolerant crop. So that can be used to transfer into rice and other crops which we use daily basis. That can be an advantage. Kittur Fort is a fort located in Karnataka state of India, and it is former capital of minor principality as well as major archaeological site. It's a very important statement. It is built by Alappa Gowda Desai, ruler of Desai dynasty. It is a recent report, Contaminated Medicines and Integrity of Pharmaceutical Excipient Supply Chain. This report highlights tragic and ongoing public health crisis where the contamination of medicines with industrial grade toxic chemicals, notably diethylene glycol and ethylene glycol. These substances are used as industrial solvents and antifreeze agents, but can cause several health issues also, and fatal if ingested. So this is what the report is declared by World Health Organization and the United Nations Office on Drugs and Crime. You have to remember these chemical names: diethylene glycol and ethylene glycol, and report released by World Health Organization. The Chilean fort had built the Chilium Fort at Chilium Place. It is a village situated at the history of Chiliar or river Baipur. So river name is given in the Kerala place. Gangaikonda Cholapuram, it is located in Tamil Nadu and it is the capital of Chola dynasty and ruled by Chola Emperor Rajendra, and which is served as a capital for around 250 years. So very interesting.